The Agilent PXA signal analyzer delivers exceptional performance in every area and adds compatibility features that make it easy to replace and upgrade your legacy systems. 4 PXA frequency range options cover from 3.6 to 26.5 GHz. The extensive PXA feature set is built on a foundation of outstanding performance. Amplitude accuracy to 0.19 dB. Displayed average noise floor as low as -172 dBm with a new noise floor extension capability. High performance measurements are provided at equally high speed. Control and data interfaces include GPIB, gigabit LAN, and USB. Noise can make measurements such as spur searches slow and limit sensitivity and accuracy. In the PXA, a new technique removes significant noise from spectrum measurements. The analyzer's already low noise floor is so precisely characterized that it can be accurately and automatically subtracted from spectrum and power measurements. This new noise floor extension technique improves the measurement noise floor by 3 to 10 dB, improving accuracy and speed for small signals. Sensitivity is also improved with the PXA's optional low noise input path. For high band measurements, this direct input path improves the analyzer's noise floor by up to 10 dB at microwave frequencies. The PXA has the processing power and measurement applications to handle all types of signal analysis. Complete time and frequency domain analysis, phase noise, noise figure, pulse analysis, and digital demodulation. Switching between applications is nearly instant under front panel or remote control. For flexible modulation analysis, the PXA supports Agilent's VXA measurement application through front panel or direct SCPI control. The industry's most comprehensive vector signal analysis solution, the Agilent 89600 VSA software, runs inside the PXA or externally through any of the remote interfaces. To make migration and upgrades practical, new analyzers must easily find a home in current systems. The high-performance PXA was designed to add the benefits of a new analyzer to existing test systems containing older HP and Agilent high-performance spectrum analyzers. The PXA can be configured as a drop-in replacement for several different analyzers, improving measurement throughput, test margins, and supportability, while speeding migration time and reducing risk. The N9030A remote language compatibility application makes the PXA a highly code-compatible replacement and is provided at no charge when ordering a PXA. A range of hardware features including fast rise time video out, Y-axis video output, and an innovative variable frequency IF output minimize the need to redesign test systems when migrating to the PXA. This compatibility enables you to accelerate tests, increase throughput, and reduce the number of test stations. Where data security is needed, the analyzer's hard disk is easily removed and another disk can be substituted for non-secure operation or calibration. This simplifies instrument sanitizing in sensitive applications. The hard disk can also be replaced with a solid-state disk. The analyzer CPU is easily removed for future upgrades and uses Open Windows XP Professional, allowing you to control other test system elements and operate software such as MATLAB. In the PXA, the capabilities just begin here. A generous power supply and a modular hardware structure with 7 expansion slots provide a future-ready platform to solve tomorrow's problems as well as today's. With the PXA, you no longer have to choose between compatibility and the benefits of a state-of-the-art signal analyzer. For more information, visit www.agilent.com/find/PXA, where you'll find complete product information, including a link to our migration page.